Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Today I will show you a mini system integration project for our Laboratory 1 Integrated Programming and Technologies. Don't worry, it is simple. We have got subsystem A that provides data and subsystem B that provides display aid. Basically, it's all about how two smaller parts of programs can talk to each other, just like real systems in school or companies. Let's dive in. Public class data provider. It's define a class name data provider. Public static string get student. It's a method that returns an array of string. Inside, we create a string called students with the 3 entries. We have ID, name, and course. Return student sends the array back to the caller subsystem B. This is a subsystem B consumer. Public class data consumer. It's define a class name data consumer. Public static void display student string students. It's a method that takes a string as an input. System out.println student information is a prints a header line. For int I equals 0, I less than student length, increment operator loops through the array. System out.println students prints each student record. This is a main integration class and mini system integration. Public class mini system integration. It's defined the main program class. Public static void main string arrays. It's the entry point of the program. String student data equal data provider get students. It's called subsystem A method to the student array. Data consumer displays student data. It's passes that array to subsystem B, which prints it. When you run a mini system integration, you see the program output. The program prints a header line, student information, then it shows its student record from the array provided by subsystem A. Each line contains the student ID, name, and course. Since there are 3 entries in the array, you see the 3 student record lists, one after another. Alright, that is for my mini system integration demo. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new today. See you next time. Bye. God bless.